I just spent $100 on this brand new drone. In less than 5 minutes, I thought I was gone forever. The drone lost connection, almost crashed into my neighbor's house, and it hit my house. Plus, the winds outside are terrible, and I thought it'd be a great idea to fly this drone. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys some drone footage. Now, it might be a little boring, so I might add some cool things in there. But during this flight, the drone lost connection, reconnected, and almost went for the woods. It disconnected twice on me. Now, is that because I didn't charge it? I don't know. But we need to get to the bottom of this. So, in today's video, we got some drone action and some behind the scenes on getting these drone shots for you guys. Now, I showed a video, part of the drone, and later in the video. But this remote right here takes AA batteries. All right, and I'm pretty sure they're dying because I've tried flying it. I flew it in Florida, as many of you guys seen, and it was working. But as soon as I try flying in New York, it doesn't want to fly. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the whole video, as at the end of this video, there's going to be a little sneak glimpse of next week's video, or maybe even this week. It all depends on how this goes. Plus, I'm going to show you guys the backgrounds of us making a podcast channel and starting to do that. So, buckle up, grab some popcorn, and enjoy the show. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Also, guys, as you guys seen in the last video, we got a new puppy. I tried to fly the drone near the puppy so you guys can see her from the sky. All right, I'm not gonna lie to you. Drone quality, not the greatest. I only spent $100 on this thing, at most $100. I don't even think it was even 100. It might have been 40. But this thing works. Not great quality. So we're gonna build up on this one. We're gonna learn how to fly this thing really good, and then we're gonna buy a new drone and start getting that better quality. But for now, we're on the journey as we learn how to fly 20 drones. The drone is decent-sized drone. It's also the drone for lifetime. Most of the help
It's a good day. It's a good day. It's a good day. It's a good day, honey. It's a good day. It's a good day. It's a good day. It's a good day, honey.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was a little different one. Next video is gonna be about the merch. I'm gonna drop I got the merch in today, last week. I'll drop a 3-second clip in of it, or the photos. I can't remember if I took a video or a photo, but I'll drop it in here, and I'll let you guys take a look. I'll also put it in the comments if you guys like the new intro, or if not, I'm kind of working with that. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. See you later. Guys, make sure you guys execute happiness. Check out the website. It's going to be linked at the top of the description. And yeah, thank you guys for the 4,426 subscribers. Appreciate that so much. That means the world. Let's keep it going. We're on the road for 10,000. We're almost to 5 right now. So let's get at it.